This might seem like some random symbol on your sewing pattern that you can just forget about, but it's actually super important, which is why in this video, I'm going to explain to you exactly what it is and why you need it. Hi, my name's Abby and welcome to day 14 of How to Read a Sewing Pattern. If you've missed any previous days, just put the word playlist below and I will send you a link so you can catch up on everything. Now, these funny little symbols that we see along the edge of our pattern pieces, they are called notches. And they can look like a triangle, they can look like a diamond, they can look like a letter T. They can look different from pattern to pattern, but you will always see them along the edge of your pattern pieces. And they are really important. We use them to line up our pattern pieces with each other when we're going to sew them, okay? So sometimes we need to squeeze a little bit of fabric into one area and stretch it in another. And these notches help us figure out exactly what point on the fabric needs to line up when we're sewing, okay? So once you have cut out your pattern piece, it's really important that you then go around the edge and mark all of your notches. Now, to mark a notch, you can do a couple of things. You can either use your pen, your chalk, whatever you traced your pattern with, and you can use that to mark this. Or if you want to be very careful, you can do a little cut or a little snip into your pattern, into your fabric at that point. Just make sure that when you snip this, it's less than or just around 1/4 of an inch or 1/2 centimeter, okay? Very, very small. I personally find cutting it to be really hard to see or to find later. I prefer to mark mine. But some people actually like to, instead of just snipping straight, is to cut a little triangle wedge into this so they can see it more easily. But a third option you have is to actually use your pins or clips to pin these spots. I also have a word of warning for this. Be careful, because when you're handling like your group of pieces, once you've cut them all out, like here's my project, let me put on my table. If you pin all of your notches, it can be really easy to stab yourself. So just be cautious. And if you need another option, some people, when they're actually cutting out their pattern piece, will cut this little wedge triangle shape away from the pattern piece. That way they're not cutting into their actual material, but adding this extra little wedge shape. But you can use any of these that you want. You can either mark it, you can cut it, or you can pin it, okay? But make sure you have these points marked, because when you start reading the pattern instruction, it's going to tell you, sew the side front to the side back, aligning the notches. And this is what they're talking about. Make sure those 2 points are lined up when you pin everything in place to sew it. Okay? So I hope notches make more sense. Make sure you mark them on your fabric. They really are important. I know they seem almost like nothing, but they really are. Trust me. And stay tuned for tomorrow, where we're going to talk about how to draw darts and other sewing pattern symbols onto your patterns, because they're usually kind of big, and how do you transfer them from the paper to your fabric? Like, it can be a little confusing. So don't worry, we're going to talk all about it tomorrow. Until then, happy sewing!